Hello guys, and welcome to my Mazda Rx-8 channel. In today's video, my Mazda Rx-8 is overheating. I already solved the issue, so watch the video to find out what I did, and good luck to you guys. Enjoy the video. My car's overheating. I just noticed that, like, my AC quit, and I'm like, uh-oh, AC quit. And then I look at the temperature gauge, and it's overheating. So I'm gonna find a place to pull over and let it cool down. I'm not sure if it's because of the water, maybe it's somehow all missing, or maybe my serpentine belt broke. It's very hard to tell in these things because there is no power steering anyways right now, and it's in the truck. So guys, this is new. This never happened before. There's like literally radiator fluid everywhere. So not really sure what happened here. There's also radiator fluid at the top. I don't know if this is my cap or a busted radiator or what, but definitely something serious going on here. And a little bit more came out over there. I'm gonna let it cool down. I do have some radiator fluid. I'm gonna put it in and see if that stays. But obviously the belt is intact. There's no issues there. That is very unfortunate. Guys, I just put some water in here, and I'm observing as to what's going on, and I could see the water is dropping, and I definitely could see where it's coming from. Let me see if you could catch that. It's coming from the very top. It's dripping from the top of the radiator. So there's a good chance that this radiator is actually busted. And this is why I've been losing fluid. So it's not going from the overflow, because that's actually been extended. It's very long. It would go there. So it's actually coming from the very top. So I think as long as I have some water in there, I should be okay. But I'm also thinking that I have a thermostat issue as well. So it looks like I'm gonna need both radiator and the thermostat. So let's see if it's still dripping. The dripping has stopped. It's very minor. It almost makes you think, why is it really dripping? The question is, will it start? Okay, it did start. I'm gonna turn the air off. So right now the temperature shows below half. Let's see what it's outside like. So everything's working for now. Let's see if the pressure is increasing of the drop, and it sure did. So you can definitely see the dripping has increased by a lot. So I need to make it. It's definitely hard to turn the steering wheel with the steering light icon being on. I think I actually might have either bad wiring or something, because it does not even flash like it's supposed to whenever you're trying to reset the steering wheel. But so far so good, guys. I'm gonna update you. Hey guys, I've been driving my car for about 40 minutes and everything is good. The temperature has not climbed too high. My AC is working. The fuel economy is showing 24 miles per gallon. So things are doing pretty good. So I definitely know that I need to replace my radiator. Thermostat might be okay, but I'm gonna replace it anyways. And radiator cap too. Water pump for now, I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. But realistically speaking, a lot of times you just want to solve kind of like what's at hand, and I can definitely tell that at the top of my radiator it is leaking, and it will definitely cause overheating issues. As far as the thermostat goes, they're very cheap, so I'm going to go ahead and actually install one of those. And well, the new radiator is going to come with a radiator cap, so that's going to solve the radiator cap issue. When I was a teenager, I had a Honda Accord, and that Honda Accord had a crack at the very top of the radiator that was fixed with some epoxy by the previous owner. And it really kind of failed, that little fix. And as a teenager, I was not able to afford to really throw any parts at it. But I would constantly have issues with the car overheating because of the radiator. Because it's a pressurized system, and it's not going to work right when there's water being lost and vacuum being lost and stuff like that. So eventually I replaced the radiator and the thermostat, and the problem went away. It was just fine, no more overheating. And I think it's the same issue with this car. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. As soon as I order myself a radiator and a thermostat, I'm going to make a video of me installing those things, and so keep a lookout for that on my channel. Guys, good luck with your cars, and I hope you guys subscribe and like this video, and please comment with your answers and solutions and things like that, because other Mazda Rx-8 owners could definitely use the help. And from your comments, guys, it actually helps me out so much as well. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.